Okay, good evening, everyone from the southern Cameroon. Um, my name is Mola Wunja. I came here today to speak something very important. Um, I would like for talk for Pidgin, make everybody understand and understand me very well. I don't come for talk because of the struggle of the Southern Cameroon crisis, waiting to go on for the Southern Cameroon. Long time I never make any substantial video, but I will try my talk very brief. I don't talk many times, I don't bring things up. I think people know the try for understand me. My brothers, my sisters, my uncle, my aunts, everybody, friends, relatives, where they did for Southern Cameroon region, both the northern zone and the southern zone. Well, we don't discover certain things where they go on behind us, where I think we not go take them too easy again. Especially those people where they feel say they feel hijack this struggle. The first people where they don't hijack this struggle, we know them. We want try for talk, they be like, they want say make they shut up with mouth. But I don't think say this struggle belong to anybody. This struggle belong to all Southern Cameroonians. Whether you be picking where they born am today, or whether the one with the belly, whether the one with they never born am, it get equal chance for fight this struggle. Nobody no get right for stop anybody for what he want do for say we see about the freedom of our people and our homeland. Yes, may we understand say a lot of people don't die, they don't lose their life. Families, they don't lose their relatives, their brothers, their sisters, their children, their father, their mothers, grandparents, they don't die. We get to put them into our mind, say, we not come for this struggle, now say many people die, we not become for violence. We not be, as Chris and we don't talk, we not be people for violence. We not be this struggle, not be this struggle where begin to be violence. Now Paul Biya declare war to the people of the Southern Cameroon. Anyway, I will come straight to the point. Well, if we take note, the people where they fight for down for Southern Cameroon, those people where they there for ground zero, now they be the people where we rely on. We for the diaspora. We for the diaspora, not be people where we get to the make noise, where we know the use with physical self for go for defend with people. Those people where they down, those guys there, where they young, so when they never even hope say they go married, so when they get picking them, so when they get family, they kill them. We they here. They just make noise, blah, 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 blah. Yes, now part of the fight, we accept. But people will give them respect. Now the boys, the way they did for town, they defend with citizens. And they come with this talk because of the audio where they go round. I know we want to talk about this struggle, but I will start them again. I will talk, say, I will start talk when I see something where you know the straight. Well, I go start for the point of Mr. Capo Daniel. I be telling me, call me, may interview me openly, may everybody hear what did happen. Well, he say go call me till now at the wait. They choose people to call. Well, I go bring them very clear. That problem for Ayok, Seseseko, and Co, where they be kidnapped them. May we keep them mute for now. make we wait when the investigating team for America, where His Excellency Mullah Sako Samuel, don't choose them, make they come out with their results. Then from there we go start talk. Secondly, yes, we will not begin point fingers for people the way they be BD. Person where they don't release am, may we wait. Time where the people them they go get that chance, where they go fit talk. Because now as a day for distress, they no fit talk. When they go get that chance, if God bless, they go talk, we go know the truth of what to be happen. So may we leave this argument, oh, this man don't do this man don't do this. That is first another thing. The other thing why the talk is about this audio message where they go round the whole world about Ayabacho and this young man Akuma. These boys them, now people where I not feel say wait till the talk is wrong. We no get right for threatening any Southern Cameroonian. We have no right to threaten any Southern Cameroonian where you know they against we. You know if you go threaten person where they stand for forefront the fight. That is totally unacceptable. On a very strong word, I refuse that. I not accept them. I not accept them. I know the kick against people, but if something go wrong, me I go come straight. You don't get no right whatsoever, whether you be leader of what or president of what, to threaten any Southern Cameroonian. If you try to do that, then we go think say you are a very bad man. So may we stop all this nonsense where they go on threatening those guys and when they face the difficulty, face death in front of them. You still threaten them for another death. How stupid were we there? If really not true, I go say, Ayabacho, Mr. Ayabacho, I know you very well. I'm not arguing. We are friends for long, right in Germany up to now. Go and apologize for that guy. Call him, apologize for him secretly, and we keep that mute. Let that one pass. We continue the struggle. This enmity will not take this struggle anywhere. This fighting of leadership will not take this struggle anywhere. That is my point I'm bringing. Anybody who is serious in this struggle, join the struggle in the group where it do the right thing. Join that struggle. No give condition for join any group. That is totally unacceptable. Now me, Mola Wonja, the talk. If we want to do things, we do it the right way. People they down, they die. People they don't get work. People they school, they know they go. Many things they go wrong. If we not fit try the way we fit work hard, where they go bring these two countries together on the table for dialogue, then we did instead fight among ourselves. We are making a big mistake. I'm telling you people, that is a big mistake. You know, if you threaten your own brother for locking, for arresting, for killing, that is totally wrong. So as we talk, we get to instead encourage those boys them, no matter the way we encourage them, the maximum way, more encourage them, may they keep that struggle in any way where they keep and make the struggle continue. Because this is a winning battle, it's a positive direction we are going because we have a lot of international bodies and where they don't step in, where they therefore we back, but una no spoil them. Una no spoil them, na all thing that I come for talk. So may we continue with the fight na la Republic. We know the fight we sell. Anybody when one fight Wonja, you know go first see me. You know go see me. I'll be sorry. Don't try that. Don't even come because I will just disappear you. Don't try that. That's the first thing. Secondly, don't threaten any Southern Cameroonian for no way inside the struggle. We will not go accept. Nothing will come. So Mr. Akuma, when we pass this message, we don't get your message and we don't pass the message for the person where you the accusee. If you want listen, make it listen. Any man, all we want the two activists. If you don't get any reliable information, don't bring them for public. Now the message will come for Cartel now today. I pray say may God bless all we. We have a happy Easter and we forget about the past. The other thing I go talk again and say, any man where you want try for criticize Mullah Sako because he be backward man, then una dey look to for problem. We get to stand behind everybody wey na leader wey dey put say make lead this struggle. Na till when me I don come for talk, I know the fear, I dey tell una straight. I dey see how people dey criticize it, they want to talk this because they don't know say come off Fako. We must stand for a back by force or by law. Thank you very much. God bless everyone. Happy Easter to everyone. Thank you. Mola Wunja is my name from the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Bye.